Algebra 1, lesson 115, page 485. I laugh because I laugh at you guys a lot. Linear inequalities. Linear, the word linear means line. Inequality means not equal to. So, we're going to graph things like this. Inequalities. We're going to graph inequalities. Y'all supposedly know how to graph things, okay? I kind of am going to assume you know how to graph things. So we're going to do this. We're going to make a graph. And it has to be a reasonable graph. We're going to put these on here like they said equals, and then we're going to do the rest. The first part is just to graph the thing. Y equals mx plus b. Yes? That is what? That's the y-intercept. Not that, but that is the slope. That's an x. This is the slope. That's the y-intercept. We always start with the y-intercept. Has to be in this form before we can do anything. Okay, so this is y, pretend equals mx plus b. 2 is the y-intercept. So we come right here and we make a dot. The slope is negative 1. So we're going to go down 1, right 1. It's a negative 1 slope. Down 1, right 1. I'm going to walk it a second. Okay, so here is my line. Now, is it equal to? The answer is no. So I'm not going to use a closed circle, but I'm going to use a dotted line because it's not equal to that line. Wow, kind of like jumped out there. This is the line, but it's not equal to the line. So just like we use the open circle, we use a dotted line, meaning it's there, but it's not equal to it. All right. Now it says y is greater than. Y is greater than. If I have a greater than, that's positive. On here, this is x. This is y. Where is greater than on this? It's above. It's above. Okay, y is greater than. It's above. So the graph of this thing is all this stuff. It's like if you leveled it off, it's above. Greater than. It's above. It's a dotted line. It doesn't equal it. That's all there is to it. You graph the thing. It's not equal to, so it's a dotted line. It's greater than, so it's over it. Okay? Right here. It's already set up for you. Y equals mx plus b. Wow, this thing is like falling over. So what's my y-intercept? Right there. Negative 1. Dot. What's my slope? 2 over 1. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. Okay, this is the line, and it's equal, so it is a line, a solid line. Look at that, hit all 3 dots. You should be very proud of me. Now, it's less than this time. Greater than was over this thing, so less than is under. Less than is all this here. Okay, when you're graphing inequalities, you graph the line as if that were unequal. Y equals mx plus b. If you need to solve it and set it up, do so, graph it. It's not equal to, so I use a dotted line for this because it's not equal there. All right, now since this is greater than is above. That's all I do. I shade this side in. Over here, I graph the line. Y-intercept, slope. Positive slope, crosses at negative 1. Less than and equal to, it's a solid line, and it's under it. That's all there is. Easy breezy. If they start doing things like a not, make sure you make it what it is first, so you get it right. If you have to solve it and take a negative across this thing, flip it over. Just remember all the rules. Then just graph that. If it's equal to, it's a solid line. If it's not equal to, it's a dotted line. If this is a greater than, it's above. If it's a less than, it's below. All you does.